How you doing?
Um, Holding in there. I mean, that's what anybody tells you.
You were just talking to me. You walked for how long in the dark just to get here?
About 12 miles to get to my dad's house.
And you rode out the storm. Tell the viewers about what you experienced. What it was like for you.
Terrifying, man. I'm scared of heights already, and my trailer was just bouncing up and down, and it just lost everything. It just wiped me out. And this is my first hurricane, so yeah, I'm scared. This is my home.
What about your friends and family? Where are they at, man?
I don't know. There's been no cell service since the Thursday, Friday. Haven't gotten a hold of anybody. If my mom and dad's watching, I'm okay.
What are their names, in case they are?
Betty and Brian.
Where were they last?
My mom's in Oklahoma, and my dad, there's no telling where my dad's at. I'm here in Rockport waiting on you.
I mean, you look shocked.
Yeah, I mean, I just lost everything I worked for. Everything. The only thing I got is the clothes on my back, and hopefully my dad got out somewhere. And I don't know, maybe I should have left. Maybe I should have left. Okay, Dad, I'm gonna jump on the bus. I'll be there. Are you okay? Yeah, I'll jump on one. Yeah, I'm in Rockport. Okay. Dad, I love you. Okay, alright, look, I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna, I'll be right there. Yes, sir. Bye, Dad.